narrator. Hey everyone. Music is all around us, isn't it? Whether you're listening to it on the radio at a party or even humming a tune in the shower, music is a huge part of our lives. Being able to talk about music in English opens up a world of connection. You can share your favorite songs, discover new artists, and understand the emotions that music can evoke. That's why, in today's episode of the English Learning Podcast's Beginner Series, we're diving deep into talking about music. You'll learn essential vocabulary for different genres, discussing artists, describing your feelings about music, and even sharing your musical experiences. Mastering these simple yet crucial phrases will significantly boost your conversational ability in daily life. In this extensive episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Sophia and David. They'll share their musical tastes, discuss their favorite artists, and even talk about going to concerts. They'll use clear, simple English with repetition, making it easy for you to understand and start talking about your own musical passions confidently. Following their discussion, we'll have a short, interactive practice session to help you actively use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the helpful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your English skills and share your love of music. Sophia, hi David. How are you today? I'm listening to some new music and it's making me feel so energized. What kind of music do you like, David? Do you have a favorite genre? David, hi Sophia. I'm doing well, thanks. New music sounds good. Yes, I love music. My favorite genre is rock music. I like the energy and the strong guitar sounds. But I also listen to other kinds of music sometimes. What about you, Sophia? What's your favorite kind of music? Sophia, rock music is fantastic, David. I like the energy too. My favorite kind of music is pop music. I love the catchy melodies and the upbeat rhythms. But I also enjoy other genres like R&B and sometimes a little bit of country music. Who is your favorite rock artist, David? David, pop music is great for dancing, Sophia. I can see why you like it. My favorite rock artist is Foo Fighters. They are a band. I love their songs and their live shows are amazing. They have a lot of energy. Who is your favorite pop artist, Sophia? Sophia, Foo Fighters are a legendary rock band, David. I've heard they are incredible live. My favorite pop artist is Taylor Swift. I love her songs because they are often about her own life and they are very relatable. She also writes beautiful lyrics. Do you ever listen to Taylor Swift, David? David, Taylor Swift is very popular, Sophia. I know a few of her songs. They are very catchy. But I don't listen to her music often. I prefer rock. But I respect her as a songwriter. Do you listen to rock music at all, Sophia? Sophia, yes, Taylor Swift's songwriting is very impressive, David. Her lyrics are often very personal. Yes, I do listen to rock music sometimes. I like some classic rock bands like the Beatles. Their songs are timeless. But I don't listen to heavy rock very often. What kind of rock music do you like, David? David, the Beatles are a great classic rock band, Sophia. Their songs are known all over the world. I like all kinds of rock music, but especially alternative rock and hard rock. I like bands that have strong guitar sounds and powerful vocals. Do you know any alternative rock bands, Sophia? Sophia, the Beatles are timeless and their melodies are beautiful, David. Alternative rock and hard rock sound very powerful. I don't know many alternative rock bands, but I have heard of Radiohead. Are they an alternative rock band? I like their song Creep. Do you like Radiohead, David? David, Radiohead is a very famous alternative rock band, Sophia. Creep is one of their most popular songs. Yes, I like Radiohead a lot. They are very creative and experimental. Their music is often very atmospheric. What kind of music do you listen to when you want to relax, Sophia? Sophia, Radiohead being creative and atmospheric is a good way to describe them, David. Their music has a unique mood. When I want to relax, I usually listen to R&B music. It's often very smooth and calming. I also sometimes listen to jazz music. It's very sophisticated and relaxing. What kind of music do you listen to when you want to relax, David? David, R&B and jazz are both excellent choices for relaxing, Sophia. They have a very calming effect. When I want to relax, I often listen to classical music. It's very peaceful and helps me focus. Sometimes I also listen to acoustic guitar music. Do you ever go to concerts, Sophia? Sophia. Classical music for relaxation is a great choice, David. It's very soothing. Yes, I do sometimes go to concerts. I love seeing my favorite artists perform live. The atmosphere is always so exciting. I saw Taylor Swift in concert last year and it was amazing. Have you ever been to a Taylor Swift concert, David? David. Seeing your favorite artist live must be an incredible experience, Sophia. The energy at a concert is unique. No, I've never been to a Taylor Swift concert. But I have been to many rock concerts. I saw Foo Fighters last year and it was the best concert I've ever been to. Do you like going to rock concerts, Sophia? Sophia. Foo Fighters live must be amazing, David. Their energy is legendary. I've never been to a rock concert actually. I usually go to pop concerts. But I would like to go to a rock concert someday. The energy must be very powerful. Do you play any musical instruments, David? David, the energy at a rock concert is really something else, Sophia. It's very loud and exciting. Yes, I play a musical instrument. I play the guitar. I've been playing since I was a teenager. I play both electric guitar and acoustic guitar. Do you play any instruments, Sophia? Sophia, playing the guitar sounds very cool, David. Both electric and acoustic. I don't play any instruments myself, but I wish I did. I think it would be amazing to play the piano or the guitar. Maybe I'll learn someday. Do you ever write your own songs, David? David, playing an instrument is very rewarding, Sophia. It takes practice, but it's worth it. Yes, I do sometimes write my own songs. They are usually rock songs, of course. I have a small band with some friends and we play in local bars sometimes. It's a lot of fun. Do you ever sing, Sophia? Sophia, writing your own songs and playing in a band sounds like a fantastic creative outlet, David. I bet it's a lot of fun. I don't write songs, but I do sing. I love singing along to my favorite pop songs. I'm not a professional singer, but I enjoy it. Do you listen to music every day, David? David, singing along to your favorite songs is a great way to enjoy music, Sophia. It makes you feel good. Yes, I listen to music every day. I listen to music while I work, while I drive, and while I exercise. Music is a big part of my life. Do you listen to music every day, Sophia? Sophia, music is a constant companion, isn't it? I listen to music every day too, David. I listen to music when I'm getting ready in the morning, when I'm on the bus, and when I'm cleaning my apartment. Music makes everything more enjoyable. Do you prefer listening to music alone, David, or with other people? David, music makes even boring tasks more fun, Sophia. Can change your mood instantly. I usually prefer listening to music alone, especially when I'm trying to focus on something. But I also enjoy listening to music with friends at parties or concerts. It depends on the situation. Do you prefer listening to music alone, Sophia, or with other people? Sophia, music can definitely change your mood, David. It's like a soundtrack to our lives. I also enjoy listening to music alone most of the time. It's a very personal experience. But I also like listening to music with friends when we are dancing or singing together. It's fun to share the energy. Do you ever listen to music in a different language, David? David, music is a powerful way to connect with your emotions, Sophia. It can make you feel happy, sad, or energetic. Yes, I sometimes listen to music in a different language, especially Spanish rock music. I don't understand all the words, but I like the sound. Do you ever listen to music in a different language, Sophia? Sophia, music in a different language can be very interesting, even if you don't understand the words, David. It's all about the rhythm and the melody. Yes, I also listen to music in a different language sometimes. I like listening to French pop music. I don't speak French very well, but I like the way it sounds. Do you think music is important for culture, David? David, music in different languages is a great way to experience different sounds and cultures, Sophia. It's like traveling without leaving your home. Yes, I absolutely think music is important for culture. It reflects the history and traditions of a country or a group of people. It's a way to express emotions and tell stories. Do you think music is important for culture, Sophia? Sophia, music is a powerful expression of history, traditions, and emotions, David. It truly connects us to different cultures. Yes, I strongly believe music is very important for culture. It's a way to share ideas, to express feelings, and to connect people from all over the world. Music is a universal language. Do you think music can change the world, David? David, music being a universal language is a beautiful thought, Sophia. It can connect people even when they don't speak the same words. That's powerful. Yes, I do think music can change the world. Can inspire people to fight for what they believe in. Can bring people together. Can make us think about important issues. Do you think music can change the world, Sophia? Sophia, music inspiring change, bringing people together and making us think. It's a very powerful force, David. Yes, I believe music can change the world too. Can give people hope, it can make us feel less alone, and it can make us want to make the world a better place. Music has a strong impact. This has been a great chat about music. I've really enjoyed hearing about your love for rock music in your band. David, yes, it has been, Sophia. I've really enjoyed hearing about your love for pop music and your experience at the Taylor Swift concert. It's always fun to talk about something we both feel passionate about. Sophia, it definitely is, David. It makes me want to put on my favorite song and dance. Well, it was really nice talking to you about music. I should probably get going now. David, of course, Sophia. I understand completely. Enjoy your music. It was really nice catching up with you and talking about all these great songs and artists. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Sophia, you too, David. Maybe we can go to a concert together sometime. See you around soon. David, see you, Sophia. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about music. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. What is your favorite genre of music? Say it now. Good. Now, who is your favorite music artist? Excellent. One more. Do you play any musical instruments? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these 3 important phrases after me. I like rock music. My favorite artist is. I play the guitar. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing talking about music in English. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very expressive and connecting topic. Talking about music in English. You can now confidently discuss your music preferences, describe different genres, talk about your favorite artists, and even share your musical experiences. This is a tremendous step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you listen to music or someone asks about your taste, try to describe it in English to yourself or a friend. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.